Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most common errors you might face while working with a Flutter, especially when creating your Android applications. So, error is that like build failed with an exception, failed with exit code 1. So this error is a very common issue that a lot of Flutter developers run into. So now this error can be caused due to multiple reasons, but one of the most frequent causes is related to the Gradle version compatibility. So just to give you a quick overview, the minimum required Gradle version has been updated and now we need to at least Gradle version 8.9 or higher. So let's fix this step by step. So in a very first step, open your Gradle Wrapper properties. First open your Flutter project and navigate the Android Gradle, after that wrapper, and there is a gradle-wrapper.properties file. So here open this file, and here you will find a line with a start with a distribution URL. So now in many case this will be point to older Gradle version, so like 8.1 8.2 like that. In my case there is a 8.1 version, so we need to update this to be stable and supported version. So in my case I am going with Gradle version 8.12. Okay, so which is a currently stable release. So replace this existing version in with the URL and update with 8.12. Save the file once you have made the changes. Now once that's done, we will move on the next few important steps that will make sure everything runs smoothly. So first up, we need to clean the project. This step is super important because it's clear out all the old caches, build files, and any temporary data that might be conflict from previous build. So for that, open up your terminal and simply run flutter clean command. So here now what this does is like basically it's wipe up out all build folder, the dart tools folder directory, and any leftover files that could cause conflict with the new Gradle setup. So think of it like giving your project with a nice fresh reset. So once the cleaning is done, we are not quite ready to run this project just yet. So there are one more thing we need to do. So since the cleaning process also removes some packages related data, so we will now need to reinstall all the dependencies. So in that same terminal window, go ahead and run the flutter pub get command. So this will be fetch all the packages listed in your pubs.yml file and make sure your project has everything it needed before we move forward. Alright, now that everything is cleaned up and all your packages are installed again. So it's time to run this project. You don't have to anything special here, so you can directly run normally. The first time you run this project after the making changes, so it might take a little longer than usual. So that's totally normal. Gradle needs a bit of time to download some files and get set something new files in the background. So just be patient. It will only take like 3 or 4 minutes as per your internet speed, and that's done. Your Android app should be installed and running without any problem. So if you are seeing that error, Gradle task error, so you can just follow these simple steps to fix it. This small solution has already helped many Flutter developer, and it will be probably works for you too. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you to solve the error and run your Flutter app again. If you found it helpful, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. So until keep learning and keep coding. Thank you.